Hello guys, so welcome to tonight's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we are going to start with tonight's show. So Team Sherwood, they talk about Arsenal, the title race, say for the Arsenal team now only Declan Rice in see wey be say im get that hunger and desire to actually win the league. Say wetin presently na 11 Declan Rice, people wey dey think like Declan Rice, people wey dey fight like Declan Rice. Say that guy makes the team better. If dem get people like that, 11, Arsenal go win the league. And this buttresses the point I was making in the morning when Rice dey talk about the title race, how important, how in know wetin this team dey capable of doing. The way the guy dey talk, no wonder people are saying he should be the Arsenal captain. This guy, in mentality, the way in dey think, he dey miles above others. In fact, some people are saying na Declan Rice dey pity. Say to say no, if you mean for wrong, go join Man City. Na wetin many people dey talk. So when you look at how and the media put out that Team Sherwood reports, so Baba don explain everything about us now in talk plenty because I think it was a Sky Sports report I saw when they talk all those things. I want 11 Declan Rice. Michelle believes Declan Rice is the key to Arsenal winning the Premier League this season. You get now nobody laid that one say then talk after the 11 Declan Rice. They could talk about the title race. Say how the title race will be. You get because when you check, they say Arsenal have fallen off a cliff defensively. Like we no really be that solid defensive team like we used to be. Chris Boyd looks at Arsenal's current form and believes that they, Man City, will be relishing the title race with Arsenal struggling both in defense and in attack. And really, I no go this surprised. Another thing with Team Shell would even talk now say, make Arsenal make sure say they win the league now. Because like I have always said, and like so many people have always said, next season will be tougher. So Arsenal should win the league. Like, no be say next season we no go fit compete, but this is the golden opportunity you should seize. Next season, there are so many teams that will be fighting for that title. Even Chelsea might be a part of them because Chelsea are going to also strengthen, bring more world-class players. But this time around, you have a season where Man U is not there, Chelsea is not there, Spurs is not there, Liverpool, even Liverpool defending champions are not there. Now only you and Man City. So tell me why you should not focus on this one. So now wetin to share with the talk and I actually see points in what he's saying. Now Guardiola come dey hit back against criticism of Arsenal because the narrative now be say Arsenal don bottle the league is now in Man City's hands, but Guardiola no wan put that pressure for him team head. Say na dem get the advantage for the title race, say na their title to lose. Even though himself don use the mouth talk say if we win our 12 games wey remain we don win the league, but he no wan put that pressure for him team. So he dey look for a way to deny the efficacy of that truth. Say true, if we win 12 games we don win the league. Now Pep Guardiola insists there will be plenty more twists and turns. Now when dem dey ask Guardiola if Manchester City experience of winning titles go help them overcome this particular hurdle wey Arsenal dey follow dem drag. You know wetin Pep talk? Pep say na lie o. Say im team no get any experience because the team wey im get now 70% of them na new players. So where the experience wey dey talk about? How many of them don win the league? When you look at it statistically, you say okay, that's true. They get many new players because say 70% of the players are new, so they don't have the experience to leave this kind of situations. Guardiola argued, no experience. All we want is a win tomorrow, will be today. The match they won't play against Newcastle. Now, technically, City are in a position where the Premier League title are in their hands if they win their final 12 games. At the same time, that same situation is there for Arsenal hands. If Arsenal win the remainder of their games, draw only Man City, they've won the league. If we win the rest of our games now, and we only draw Man City, we've won the league also. So at this point, now 50-50 e be. The title race is wide open. Now 50-50. Anybody get a chance to win am. So, but nobody is running away with it. Now, Nottingham Forest said they were interested in signing one of our players. When I see this head, like, which person Nottingham Forest won by? Now, when I come read that, because say, now one of our small league get Tommy Setford, maybe goalkeeper. Now, that one, they talk to maybe they go sign and you guys say, oh, all right, no yawa. Now, away from that, I don't know whether una don't see people will play today. Like whether I don't get the opportunity to see who and who play match today, to see who and who win. Baba, you no go believe say Aston Villa, like they come from behind to come get draw against Leeds for their own Villa Park. Oh, Aston Villa draw 1-1 today. Like play. Chelsea sef draw 1-1. In fact, Chelsea own like they take score die minute, when na 93 minutes abi wetin. When they take score Chelsea away, Fofana collect red card. That Fofana wey collect red card now, e no go play Chelsea Arsenal game. You get so that one na another edge wey Arsenal go get, na advantage good. Na one of their best defenders get. So look at today's games. Still, different upset just dey happen today. Even Real Madrid sef lose 2-1 today o. Osasuna beat them 2-1. So in the next how many minutes now? By the time when I go to watch this video, probably Man City match will not start. So we could see wetin Man City sef wan do, because everybody go hope say maybe Man City go draw points for their own game the way wey people dey draw. Omo, as I dey record this video now, I don see Man City line up. I don see Newcastle line up. Pep dey use 4-1-3-2. Normally na 4-2-3-1 I dey see. I never really see 4-1-3-2. Pep really wan win this game, baba. See Mamouche and Alan start at the same, as in he wants to really win this game. He himself know say this game na tough game. See Newcastle sef, their goalkeeper don come back. No be Ramsey wey dey collect, wey dey score anyhow. The Pope is back. You get Dan Burn. The last time Man City playing, Dan Burn no play. Dan Burn is back now. So 3P sef dey, like Newcastle get very solid team. Although this their midfielder Gumares, they available, but those wey dey available, they see solid. You get, and Gordon is on fire. You get, and I don't look that bench. I see Joe Linton, I see Murphy, I see many. I say, omo, Man City pack now say pack now come. That match I go watch am. You get, mo see whether the trend of the draw, the draw super everybody in the league today. Mo know whether Man City players and Newcastle they go share one plate. Mo see how it go be. Now, away from that, they got okay. Football owner, they talk about this for fun and say a boost for Arsenal. Yes, I've talked about it. We then give the guy a red card, just like the match we will go play tomorrow. Where Romero no go play, so Baba go down collect a red card. So instead no go play. And you know the funny thing, when Wolves collect draw for one hand, they interview Rosinho, will be the coach of Chelsea. He talk about that Wolves. Say yes, Wolves have shown everybody in this league that no game is easy. You get, anybody can beat anybody. That's why Arsenal and Wolves can collect points from. Just talk in a condescending tone. Just talk. See them today now. Don't be draw, they go draw. See them today now. I like them as Aston Villa they draw. You know why they like them? So that by the time we season go one finish, Aston Villa go need Champions League places, and by the time when they go play Man City on the final day, because you see this title race, you see, he might go down the wire. So on the final day, make Man City, Aston Villa really need that game, because at the end of the day, that match might be very important. So for now, nobody don't know, but it could be the way me I dey see am. So we'll just watch how things go unfold at the end of the day. Now, James Milner, the guy don't hit new milestone. In fact, very important milestone. So James Milner becomes the new player, or the player with the most appearances in the Premier League history, the history of the EPL, 654 games. They don't surpass Gareth Barry of 653 games. When I saw this record, I was like, wow. You know what it means? A person played 600 and something games. A season is 38 games. So make you for understand what we know how many seasons we talk about. Gareth Barry, Ryan Giggs, Frank Lampard, David James, Omo, and try. Easy, and try. Now, away from that, as I talk in the morning, say Man City come from behind, collect league for Liverpool hand. Nobody they mention Liverpool as Butlers or Bottle FC. You get ESPN UK. In fact, like say ESPN they try to kill off that narrative. Say Arsenal and Butler. So they let people know say once upon a time, so club also bottled the league, but nobody's talking about them. So ESPN UK come bring out this report about Manchester United. Say Man U lost the league to Man City from this position. Man U did first, 32 games played, 79 points. Man City dey behind them with 8 points, yet Man City still win this league. How many games to go? But when you hear people like Roy Keane, Paul Scholes, Gary Neville, when you hear them, they analyze. You no go hear them talk say, "Oh, once upon a time, we sef we don bottle the league." Oh, you no go hear am because these are the history. But you no go hear am sadly. So I'm happy that they bring out all these things out. They bring them out. You get one of my Chelsea friend, as we lose against Wolves, you get one video wey im post today. I wan engage am, but I just say make I leave them in their ignorance. For that video, the content creator na Manchester United fan. The guy say when im dey grow up, say some people go become fan of club, you no go know how you go take enter. Maybe na your papa put you there, or maybe your friend, and they go explain to you why you need to support that club. Maybe the club don win plenty. But say get one question wey you wan ask. Say people wey dey support Arsenal, wetin dem tell dem before they start to dey support Arsenal? Say Arsenal no win anything, never win anything for their life. So you don't know, they know they win trophy, nothing. Don't come talk about Man City. For my mind, I was like, shey this content creator now no do research, abi im just wan use im ignorance dey banter person. Shey no know say Man City never even win league, number of leagues wey Arsenal don win? Abi shey dem think say the league just start 10 years ago? Abi shey the league just start last season? Dem no know say Arsenal sef don do some things during their own time. Arsenal go invisible, dem do some kind things. But I no just dey in the mood to go follow anybody debate or argue, you get. I just chill, make dem sef play their own game. So now wey dem don play their own game come draw, tomorrow I come go reopen the case, go follow and discuss. In fact, I don post the dance wey I go even dance, the song wey I go dance if Man City draw points tonight. I don keep am down, I dey wait for dem make dem just do that draw for me. But if dem no still do the draw, no yawa, life continue, we no go kill ourselves now. We'll see how things dey go moving forward. So now, stay humble. Wetin dem call am? Crystal Palace manager. The guy dey get issue with the fans. The fans dey talk say make dem sack am. So im come dey para say, me wey be say I don win like two trophies for una. Na dem say make dem sack me. Say make una stay humble. Shey una don forget where una dey come from? Shey because me I don put una on the map, una don forget? And really, I no go really blame the manager. Dem sell important players for the team. So wetin dem dey expect, you get? Because he was telling the fans to stay humble, never forget where you're coming from. Oliver Glasner hits back at Crystal Palace fans. And apart from that, this Oliver Glasner himself don't forget the end of season in the final square root. He don't talk say no one sign extension. So if they want sack and main go again, because he don't do for newspaper, Glasner goes nuclear. Because it is extraordinary the way he's acting at the moment. They even criticize the coach, say you're not supposed to talk to the fans like that. Now that's what they call emotion. It go make you talk with you not supposed to talk. So me, I still understand where they come from again. So maybe they just cut out some slack. Now, away from that, let's bring a message from one of our sponsors in Mobile World Associates and Co Limited. So they're into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shop protection works. They're also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, call them on +234 8064642234, and they're located at number 7 Ekeniwo Road, Orazi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. If you're interested in any of their services, please do reach out to them. Now, I'm going to bring you a message from another of our sponsor in Leaders Educational Services and Tours Limited. If you want to travel, go UK, maybe you want to go do your master's, the FEB run out. So, May and September 2026 intake is ongoing, and if you help you with admission assistance, show you up courses where they are available, work study opportunities, and help you run your visa process. So just apply today. So if you're interested, get in touch with them on 09136378252 or 08065933339, and their website is leadersedutoursLimited.com, and their office address is shop 206-207 Road 5 beside Stanbic Bank Ikota Shopping Complex by VGC Lekki Ajah, Lagos State. So if you're interested, make a reach out to them ASAP. Yes. Now, away from that, so Declan Rice going to talk about Arsenal. You get having 2 wins in 7 games. He said it happened, although it's not good on paper. I looked, and the goals where we concede, for those 7 games, majority of them are self-inflicted. Now our mistake. You get it's not become a habit because it's been our strong point, but you are not going to be perfect the whole season, obviously. You get so now I'm look at that Manchester United game. The first goal will bring Manchester United back to life. Now our mistake. Many games. Look at this one. We just the vex for now. This will feel now our mistake. many games. We say now our error, communication error, lack of awareness, different things. But well, we are humans. Now, Declan Rice on breaking the clean sheet, that Chelsea clean sheet record. He said we don't really the reason am that way. Yeah, there was never any thought on that from us. This is the Premier League, so you are playing the best players every week. Any team can surprise the Wolves. Everyone thought we were going to win comfortably here, and look how it turned out. Yes, say then said they'll be strong team. Now, according to you, say the person wey go officiate the game won't play tomorrow. Say that man sabi give red card. Oh. Say don't give the most red card this season. Don't give three already. In fact, you see that game tomorrow, a lot of fighting and rough tackles go dey. I no go dey surprised the red card involved. And there is one statistic say first to score no dey win the game. But I just play say we win that game, sha, and must win for us and J get. Now, every Tuesday come dey admin saying with Arteta don discuss. They've had a honest chat. Wetin dem discuss we no really know, but they don talk. So and there is this rumor say the reason make Arteta no dey play Eze be say Eze in defensive duties he no dey do am well. So that's why Arteta no really trust am fully. But we just dey see after this that meeting, most way that things go change. Now Igor Tudor don carry Tottenham Hotspur players go dinner tonight. He wan carry them tonight ahead of the match he wan play tomorrow. He wan use am give them morale, you get, give them some kind bonding and make them build their camaraderie, you get. So we must see whether the thing go work for them tomorrow, sha, because na their own plan be that. Now, Alan Shearer and Harry Redknapp, when they talk about this Tottenham Hotspur and Arsenal game, Redknapp will be one of the former coaches of Tottenham Hotspur. What they say, he like Thomas Frank, you get. But the performance of late have been really poor, you get. So Spurs need change. Tudor don't come in now. And Tudor got this reputation of going to a club where they die, come bring them back alive. As for Arsenal, who knows what to expect? I cannot believe they blew that game against Wolves. That's just so unlike them. And boy, oh boy, has that put pressure on this game? Are those Arsenalers beginning to feel the pressure? Say Spurs crowd feel lifts the players and make this a closer game than some might expect. At the end of the day, in the see like a draw, an entertaining draw of 2-2. But I said, I lie, 2-2, bow. Ah. So you know they see anything 2-2. So Spurs no they inspire any confidence, even with their new manager bounce. It's nothing. You get. Say even Opta they say Arsenal get 79.54% probability chance of actually winning the Premier League regardless of their recent form, it gets. But Shearer dey very confident say this particular game it will be a win for Arsenal, you get. So any other thing apart from 3 points go be disaster for Arteta and in Arsenal side because Arsenal have to win this game. Nothing more, nothing less. It's very simple. They must win am if they wan win the league. So na wetin make am talk say this match nothing, Arsenal go win am, you get. So we'll just see how everything will unfold at the end of the day. My dear Arsenal lovers, I think it's a fine place for us to call the show an end. So it's like come your way tomorrow morning to give you the morning news. So then thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your night. Now good night and love you out, guys. Ciao.